there, my name is Dr. Kim Graham. I'm a doctor of traditional Chinese medicine and I've been practicing for over 15 years. Traditional Chinese medicine is a complete healthcare system that originated in China a little over 3,000 years ago that employs a number of different treatment techniques aimed to treat the person as a whole. Acupuncture is probably the most well-known component of traditional Chinese medicine, but its practice does include a lot of other treatments. So during the Olympics, cupping became quite famous, if you want to say that, and it's a treatment that is used to improve blood flow in an area to treat traumatic injury, and traditionally used to treat things like asthma and common cold. Some of the other treatments include something called gua sha, and gua sha translates loosely to scraping technique. Graston actually has its roots in gua sha therapy. So in Graston they use a different technique, and in gua sha we use a bone or a non-porous substance to treat pain, and also is used to, again, to treat digestive problems, can be used to treat fever, common cold, asthma, and the like. Treatments using Tui Na, or Chinese medical massage, are also very common in any treatment that you receive from a Chinese medicine practitioner. And it involves the use of pushing or pressing or other manual manipulations to points on the body to help treat pain or regain balance energetically within the system. Two other pillars of treatment in traditional Chinese medicine include dietary therapy and herbal medicine. So dietary therapy uses the idea that every food has an energetic associated with it, be it hot, cold, as well as a flavor like salty or bitter, that has an effect on the body in a positive or negative way. So depending on a patient's constitution, we can alter the diet to help treat the person's overall condition. Chinese herbal formulas are also very important in the treatment and maintenance of health, according to the traditional Chinese medicine treatment modality. Formulas come in a variety of different forms. Traditionally, raw herbs were decocted and taken home for patients to cook themselves. The smell is very strong, and a lot of patients find, at least Western patients for that matter, find that it's a very unpleasant taste. So for the most part, formulas are typically prescribed now in pellet form or granule form or extracts. So at the clinic here at Moveo, I use mostly extract formulas that are highly concentrated and easy to use. And finally, acupuncture, which is probably the most well-known component of traditional Chinese medicine therapy, involves the insertion of needles into specific sites in the body to help elicit a healing response. So acupuncture can treat a wide variety of complaints, everything from musculoskeletal pain or body pain and injury to digestive problems, gynecological problems, as well as things like depression and anxiety. I'm often asked about how acupuncture works, and I find sometimes the easiest way to describe it is by explaining it in terms of electricity. So essentially, a practitioner like myself is a body electrician, and the needle that I insert into the body is like a lightning rod being inserted into an electrical storm. If we understand the principle that our entire body is bathed in electricity through heartbeat, muscle firing, nervous firing, brain functioning, it's all electrical activity. So when there's a dysfunction of electricity in the body and I'm able to insert a needle and give it a direction to go by linking multiple points together, we can more efficiently circulate the energy or electricity in the body, connecting things once again. So when there's an area of injury, I often describe that most of patients as there's a breakdown in the ability for the body's electrical system to communicate, building static. So how we need to change that is by giving that static a clear path through once again. And acupuncture is oftentimes the best way to do that. So what's most reported by patients who come to see me after treatment is that they sleep better, they feel that they handle stress better, they have less anxiety, and their digestion improves. And these are all very common side effects or benefits of treatment because acupuncture in particular has an ability to act on the nervous system to calm everything down. So when everything is calmed down and we can chill the nervous system out essentially, the whole body repairs and heals more efficiently.